Here is how to use our center distance calculator. In the menu, navigate to Engineering, and then click on Center Distance Calculator. Your Center Distance Calculator will help you to select most cost-effective components for your synchronous 2-point drive. Select pitch, belt width, belt material, drive ratio, minimum and maximum center distance, and click Lookup drives. Select the option that suits your requirements. Click on the name of the part, and here you can download 3D CAD model or PDF file. You can also request for quote by clicking Add to Quote. Once parts have been added to quote request, click on View Quote Request. The last thing you need to do is to fill in the form and click Send Quote Request. And that is how you use our center distance calculator. Reduce your design load work and produce precision engineered drive solutions.